SpaceX IPO made 4,400 millionaires. 4,400 current and former employees became millionaires because they worked for SpaceX. Can you imagine your employer making you rich? Usually they want to suck the blood out of you, and here we have Elon Musk changing the lives of regular people. I absolutely love this. Finally, regular people are getting to participate in capitalism. This is why so many people love Elon Musk. But here's just a tiny little problem. You weren't a SpaceX employee. You weren't invited to the party. You are invited to the party now at a $2 trillion valuation. Yes, you made some crumbs. The stock went up a little bit since it started trading, but this is not how you make life-changing returns. Life-changing returns, I mean, if you had $5,000 or $10,000 and it turned into millions or billions of dollars, like Sam Altman did when he invested in Stripe. $15,000 investment made him a billionaire. To get those kinds of returns, you need to be invited to the party at the beginning, when very few people even know that the party is about to happen. When you get invited to a party that has already been happening for some time, you are not there for the party. You are there to eat all the crumbs and clean up all the empty beer bottles. You are the liquidity for the people that were invited to the party at the beginning. Now, this dynamic doesn't make SpaceX bad. It doesn't make Elon Musk evil. It doesn't change the fact that SpaceX employees created something amazing. That's just how finance works. New companies get funded privately with venture capital money. Employees get stock options. After the company is successful, it goes public at a huge valuation. Most of the upside goes to the early backers, and you get to taste a little bit of the glory after the stock goes public. Lucky to you that you are watching this video. You might as well subscribe since you are still here. Listen, I'm here to invite you to a party early. Very few investors are aware that this party is about to get started. Are you interested? I made this thumbnail with AI. It saved me so much time. But this is old news. ChatGPT, Nano Banana, this is consumer AI. One of the fastest growing sectors in the technology and industrial markets is industrial AI, applying machine learning, computer vision, and data science to heavy industries like manufacturing, energy, and logistics. You know, industries that actually make things instead of just creating imaginary pictures. Billions of dollars are being quietly invested in industrial AI. In 2025, Jeff Bezos started Project Prometheus, an AI startup focused exactly on industrial AI. And no, I'm not inviting you to the party with Jeff Bezos. He doesn't want us. He already invited his guests like BlackRock, Goldman Sachs, and JP Morgan. And don't worry, you will get invited to a party when it's time for them to cash out. Instead, I am inviting you to the party with Algo 8. This is a company that is turning heads. Algo 8 is a specialized industrial AI company that builds software platforms to optimize heavy industries like manufacturing, energy, and chemicals. Their core product is Plant Brain. Brookfield Corporation, which manages over $1.2 trillion, just invested in Algo 8 through its subsidiary called Chemelex. They became a client and liked the product so much that they invested in the company. And not only that, they are now deploying Algo 8 into their portfolio companies and their clients. This is absolutely massive because this tells us that this technology is not just a concept. It is already generating revenues. It is already solving clients' problems. And the best part, you don't have to pay billions of dollars in the market cap for the stock. The market cap is less than $100 million. But I have some good and bad news. Let me start with the bad news. you cannot buy the stock of Algo 8 right now because the company is still not public. In about 2 months, it will be public. The good news is that you can buy the stock indirectly through GOGO AI. GOGO AI owns 32.4% of Algo 8, and if you buy the stock of GOGO AI during the next 2 months, you will receive shares in Algo 8 when Algo 8 goes public in about 2 months. I wrote a Substack article about the details of this transaction, so if you are interested, the link is in the description and pinned comment below. In the meantime, here's what the CEO of Algo 8 had to say about its flagship product. Your main product is called Plant Brain.
Yes, yes.
Okay, so explain it like to a fifth grader, what it is and how it works.
Sure. So, plant brain, as the name suggests, is the brain of the plant. It is the operating system of the plant. Now, think of how the operating system works. So, any plant is essentially asking for raw materials. Once the raw materials come, there is a process to convert those raw materials into finished goods. This can be crude oil to refined oil, which is your gasoline. This could be raw coal to power. This could be nuclear fuel to power. This could be lots of goods going into a semiconductor wafer, or lots of goods going into a mobile phone. So it can be a factory, it can be a power plant, any of this. But essentially, what is it doing? It is taking up raw materials, using a process to convert it. Now, when our operating system comes in, Plant Brain, it connects with all the machines. It starts taking out data from each of the machines, which was not happening till now. The machines were generating that data, but nobody was taking those out. We connect with all that data and we start doing this better. For example, we start understanding when will this machine fail? When will this process deviate? When will be the quality suboptimal? How do I control a quality breakdown and break through that? How do I ensure that I'm producing what is needed as per the recipe and there is no lag? How do I? So it's completely orchestrating the plant end to end. What kind of raw materials do I require? My purchasing agents can actually send the purchase request, and we can purchase everything so that we take care of the supply chain. So it's an operating system with a lot of agents on top of it, and they basically orchestrate the entire plant. So if I were to explain it even simpler, we are literally learning from all the massive amount of data generated by machines, by the people, by the methods, and by the material flow, and creating a learning and orchestrating that and learning continuously and improving the plant. That's what Plant Brain is. Yeah.
As mentioned before, Brookfield invested in Algo 8. Here's what the CEO had to say about this. You mentioned Chemelex, which is a Brookfield company, and
Yes.
you recently, so you have them as a client, and you recently received an investment
Yes.
from Chemelex. They first became a client, they
Yes.
liked the product,
Yes.
and then they wanted to become an investor. And
Exactly.
now, as you said, they are talking about helping you grow. So
Yes.
is the conversation about maybe using Algo's AIDS technology and installing it to their clients' facilities, or installing it to maybe Brookfield's other portfolio companies?
Both. In fact, they are very much interested in taking our AI twin, digital twin technology to all their refinery clients. So that those are happening right now. Yeah.
The most important part is that Algo 8 already has clients and is being deployed worldwide as I am making this video. Okay, so today, it is not like your product is just a concept. You already have
Yes.
clients that are using it today. So what types of companies are already using Algo 8?
I mean, it's quite a spectrum. I'll just try and explain to you. So let's take it sector by sector. In oil and gas, we are used by the largest refineries of South Asia, Middle East, Europe. So these are the companies that are using us in oil and gas. In steel sector, again, we are used by the largest manufacturers. Again, we work with plants in Arkansas in North America. We work with plants in Europe, in Luxembourg. We work in plants in India, around South Asia. So we work with semiconductor manufacturers in Ohio. We work with cables manufacturer like Brookfield group of companies they work with us. So through their assets. So we've deployed more than 300 deployments till now, and we've generated more than $250 million of gross value addition, 250 million US dollars gross value addition through our deployments. So we have improved, for example, certain refineries where our solutions is deployed. There has been no single unplanned breakdown for 4 years. I mean, that's huge. One single unplanned breakdown costs around $20 million. And uh, where we have deployed in steel plants, we have reduced the energy usage by 5 megawatt, which is huge on the sustainability piece per day. So that's the kind of impact that we have created.
SpaceX created over 4,000 millionaires from regular people. You weren't invited to the party. Now, I am inviting you to a party with an incredible industrial AI company. Those that know are investing in Algo 8 quietly. Anyway, you have the invitation. The only question left is whether you will be attending the party early or whether you will be attending the party late to eat all the leftovers and clean up all the beer bottles. Let me know in the comments below.